Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels and to another episode of Budget RC. In these episodes, my aim is to show you how to very inexpensively start the hobby or grow your fleet. So here I have a ParkZone, the old style ParkZone T-28 Trojan Ultra Micro Series, and this is a full manual 4-channel micro airplane. And it doesn't have any stability control, so there's no gyro, no nothing. And I got this morning for $20 from at a swap meet in New Hampshire, Derry, New Hampshire. And the club was New Hampshire Flying Tigers RC Club. And I think it's a very good deal. It has been used, broken, and fixed again. But hey, I've been looking for this one a long time. I am a big fan of T-28 Trojan. I have the E-Sheen and XK or WL Toys mini warbirds, and I wanted to have a comparison, all three of them at one point. So here I have the old original ParkZone, and I bound it to my RadioMaster TX16S. It's all manual, again 4 channels, everything is working. So wish me luck. There is a slight breeze. When I say slight, I think it's like 6-7 miles per hour right now, but nothing this cannot handle as long as I can handle it. Okay, let's do this. All right. A little too light, and it feels a little tail heavy. Yeah, it just gets easily disturbed, so this doesn't, I have to be very careful with my controls, and let's try not to stall it. Oh, I'm not sure if I think the response is okay. I don't know why it came down, but all one piece still. And what I'm going to do is pull the battery a little forward. It feels really tail heavy, so I'm just going to pull this battery and then just put it as forward as possible. I think this will move the CG a little bit to a more stable position, and try it again. And this is one advantage of flying it over grass. It needs a lot of right aileron trim. Oh God, into the sun, never do that. Yeah, it is trying to turn, make left turns. Yeah, it's all unstable and doing those undulations. I think it's getting a little better, a little more controllable, but still turning. Okay, it's flying a little better now. Okay, let's start doing some coordinated turns. I think I have been spoiled with stability control airplanes quite a bit, but things are coming back to me now. This is a very lightweight airplane. Let's keep it a couple mistakes high. Okay, I reached the maximum trim. I don't know if the rudder trim is okay. Ooh, rudder doesn't work that well, I think. When I applied the rudder, it kind of fell out of the sky. I think it's still a good deal. It will teach me better control. Train my thumbs a little bit. And I may end up replacing the tail, because it has been repaired, but it doesn't feel very stable. Part of the reason is probably the wind, but I'm not sure if it is flying straight and through, because also the wing has been repaired. Maybe I won't even bother for $20, say. In another swap meet I can find probably a better one. I love T-28 Trojans. Let's see if I can do some hammerhead turns. The rudder has not much authority. So, yeah, the person, the previous owner, looks like replaced the rudder, must have broken off, because the current rudder is not made from foam, but it's made from piece of balsa, and then the wind is picking up a little bit. As you can see, it's just getting buffeted quite a bit, and there is no stability control, so I have to stabilize the plane myself. Yeah, the rudder is not doing much, or the coordinator. Oh, okay. So what I say, for $20, it is good. It's not great, it's good. And I should probably try it again a calmer day, and see it flies a little better. You can tell that it has been repaired, so maybe the wing is not completely straight or something, and also the rudder is not the original one. But hey, for $20 you cannot go wrong, right? Thank you very much for watching. Keep the prop and wheels spinning. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.